thing you know, all three of them.
I know. Yay! Everybody's doing flips. Olivia just learned to do a flip, and she, by watching Emma nerd, figured it out too. Okay, that was a little sideways. Okay, do another one. Oh, not quite. Okay, go Olivia. Woo! Yay! Here goes Olivia. Yay, it's Easter evening. They are 21 months old. July 24th. April 24th.
Oh my goodness, Daddy, take it off. That's silly. Can you do another flip for Daddy? Do another flip.
Savannah's over here doing some other kind of acrobatics. There she goes through the hole. What you doing, Savannah? Hey!